Formik is an open source library for React that allows developers to build a seamless form while reducing repetitive action. Its simple and intuitive approach allows developers to integrate from small and simple login forms to large and complex data management forms. Formik has inherent capabilities to speed up form development. If the application has few forms, it's understandable to repeat Formik elements. However, if the application has many forms, it's better to create a common reusable Formik component. With a common reusable Formik component, forms can be built even more rapidly. The reusable component reduces the need for Formik parent declaration and allows developers to focus just on building forms. Let's look at a sample website with a sign-up form and a login form. Sign-up has first name, last name, email, and password. Login has username and password. Both forms have a common portion that is repeated, the Formik parent component, and the difference is with the children, the form fields. Because the Formik parent component is common, it can be extracted into a reusable component. Let's get started with the new React app. Using Yarn, add Formik to the React app. Create a container called form container. Add the Formik parent declaration. Add initial values and onSubmit as props for the container and Formik element. Also add the form component as props for the container and as a Formik child. The form component contains all the form fields that will be rendered, such as login and signup. Also pass the Formik props from the Formik element to the form component. And lastly, pass the container level props to the form component. The reusable Formik component is complete. Let's test it out. First, create the signup and login containers and the reusable Formik component as a child. Second, create the signup form component and the login form component, and pass each of these form components to their respective containers, signup and login. With this, we have completed creating the reusable form component. The code can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching.